Hey, doing a bike check of the KHE Route Series 180. First, start off unpadded seat. Uncomfy, not the best. It's not pivotal. It's not right. I wouldn't say it's the best. Got prism cranks, plastic pedals, just usual. Pretty killer. 25 2 sprocket. Same. Got 9-teeth back hub. Chain tightener. Well, got weighted spokes. U-brake. Don't know what kind of U-brake it is. Pretty good though. It's got nice brake pads on it. Front hub. It's got a KHE like rims. Same spokes. White forks. It's got nice headset, as you can see. It's got nice grips, like them. Pretty comfy. I like this bike. Well, it's got brake lever, cable, brake cable. But don't think there's anything I haven't mentioned. The crank's 3-piece. We'll give you a sound as a hub. There.